The Polk Audio 90 RT speaker is a high-performance in-ceiling speaker that seamlessly blends into your room decor while delivering dynamic sound. Features such as the wafer-thin Sheer-Grille, which protrudes only 7 millimeters from its surroundings, ensure that the speaker is nearly invisible while not compromising on sound quality. The speaker is powered by dynamic balance and Polk's dual bandpass bass ports and comes with a 3.25-inch midrange driver, 9-inch subwoofer, and a 0.75-inch dome tweeter, providing hi-fi sound with broad coverage and deep bass. Despite its deceptively small size, the three-way driver array offsets reflective surfaces without distorting the sound, providing full-range performance. Installation is easy thanks to perfect fit templates, a precision flange, and the patented rotating cam system, ensuring a secure, vibration-free setup. Polk Audio's unwavering commitment to reliability and craftsmanship is evident in this speaker, providing excellent surround sound systems and acoustic excellence.